How to change Bloxstrap settings after installing in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to open the Bloxstrap application, press start on your keyboard and click the Windows search bar and type Bloxstrap and click to open it. And if that's not visible, try navigating it by this following this option, and after that you have to access the settings menu. Once Bloxstrap opens, look for the settings tab on the left sidebar. Alternatively, if Bloxstrap is running in the tray, right click on the Bloxstrap icon in the system tray, bottom right, click settings and configure Bloxstrap. And here you have to just modify some settings like change Roblox client UI appearance, light, dark, or custom themes, and first flag like adjust international Roblox flag or internal Roblox flags, advanced users only. And then you can also enable or disable automatic updates and choose whether Bloxstrap shows a splash screen. And multi-client mode, enable running multiple Roblox sessions at once. And channel settings, switch between production, beta, or other Roblox versions. And we can just apply and restart. Like after changing your settings, click save and apply. You may need to restart the Bloxstrap or relaunch Roblox for changes to take effect. And you can use backup settings to export your Bloxstrap config in case you reinstall, and Bloxstrap may ask for admin permission if you are editing system level settings, and if something breaks, use the reset to default button. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.